morning. Good morning. My name is Grace. I'm a solar cooker promoter. Today I'm using the mini GoSun solar cooker, and just going to to bake some pumpkins. And I believe it is going to be very delicious. So I'll go ahead and place it into the tube. Here is the solar cooker, the tube. It's such a very nice small solar cooker that you can carry it everywhere as long as there is the sun. So I'll go ahead and place it inside. And here's a beautiful lid so that it can keep the food closed. You have to make sure that it is nicely put so that it doesn't fall off. So I'm going to go ahead and take my food outside so that it can get cooked. It can get cooked in the sunshine. Thank you. Hope to see you when the food is ready. Hey, hey. The moment of truth is here now. Let's check if our food is ready in our small GoSun solar cooker. It is just below 1 hour. Wow. Wow. It's hot. It's very, very hot. Wow. You can look at it. Our pumpkins are very ready. You can see it is quite ready in our small GoSun solar cooker. Wow. 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 Wow, this is a great cooker. So thank you very much. At least you now know that the sun can cook food. This is wonderful. And let's keep cooking using the sun, especially our GoSun solar cooker. We have the mini one and we have the big one. They both work well, 100%. We are good to go with this one. Thank you.